This is Ethan Hall, and he's going to install a video card for us. First, he takes the screws off the case. As you can see, he's taking the side off the case. These are the PCI and AGP slots. He attaches the wrist strap to the case for safety reasons, so it does not damage anything inside the case. This is what the typical video card looks like. You can see the pins right here, the heatsink right here, the black thing. This is the slot that the video card goes in. You want to firmly seat it, so it's in all the way. Some cases require you to put a screw here to firmly secure it. Now we put the case back on. And now we put the screws back in. And that is how you put a video card in. We're done now.